Let's install a genuine Denso cabin air filter on a 2003 Toyota Highlander 4-cylinder front-wheel drive model. To make the job easier, we will drop the glove box by removing 2 pins to get better access to the cabin air filter compartment. These 2 plastic pins are located at the left and right hinge at the bottom of the glove box. Needle nose pliers are required to push the outside-facing ends of the 2 plastic pins together, and then sliding each pin out of its hinge towards the center of the glove box. Access is very limited and the actual removal was not filmed. With the glove box freed from the 2 pins at the hinge joint, it can be gently placed on the floor of the cabin. The cabin air filter compartment is enclosed by a plastic cover, which once removed, allows the tray holding the air filter to be pulled out. Install the new Denso model number 4531012 air filter with the airflow arrow pointing down towards the blower motor. There are 4 plastic holders on the left and right side of the tray to ensure a proper fit. A pro tip is to put the date of change with a pen on the margin of the air filter. No one ever remembers when they last changed a cabin air filter, and this keeps things very clear. At this time, one can drop Peppermint Essential Oil onto the air filter to make the car smell like peppermint. This is also a deterrent to mice in case there is food in the car. However, this will be ineffective if a charcoal filter is used. The compartment cover to the cabin air filter needs to be installed with the up arrow pointing up. This is the only way that the notches at the top and bottom of the cover will fit in place correctly.
Okay, now I'm just going to put the glove box back into position. Cleaned it previously, so we don't need to re-clean it. Okay, now it's in. Can move this out of the way.
Finally, the 2 pins need to be reinstalled correctly into the left and right hinge joints at the base of the glove box. This time, needle nose pliers are not required. Each pin can simply be pushed through the hinge joint into place by hand. However, the use of needle nose pliers may assist in this process.
Okay, I got that one in. Now this side.
We did it! The job is complete! If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.